Alright, so old man Picasso has some kind of ear infection, and he gets all this crud and pus and stuff accumulates in his ear, and we clean it out twice a day. And I've got a dental syringe and I've got some hydrogen peroxide in here, and so I try to use it kind of as a pick to try to just get the opening to open a little bit. And then very gently, because I don't want to build any pressure in there, I just put a little bit of that peroxide in there, and you'll see it bubbles out, and it pushes out all that infection. And so this ear over here is fine. This one's nice and clean. So I only treat this one once a day, but this one over here gets it twice a day. And so I'll just clean these bubbles up. You want to be careful not to get this in their eyes. And so once you get that first little bit cleared out, and you can use like some tweezers or something to pull it out if it's in there deep or whatever. But once you get that first little bit out, it really starts going a lot quicker and a lot better. And I like these, you can get them, they're called dental syringes, and you can get them on Amazon. And I don't really stick it down in his ear very far at all, just barely down in the opening there, because I don't want to hurt his ear. But I do use it kind of as a pick to try to clear out some of this. And we actually just treated Fancy Rooster for the same issue. And after about a month of treatment on that, he doesn't require treatment anymore. His cleared up. I know, Picasso, this is uncomfortable. But you can see all of this mess that comes out of his ear. I know it's got to feel a lot better once I get it cleaned out, though. And you can kind of tell when you've got the most of it out, it'll stop reacting. It'll stop bubbling up so much. Okay, and so the next thing you want to do is I don't like to leave straight peroxide in there. So I use colloidal silver, which has antibiotic properties to it. But if you didn't have the silver, you could just use some clean water, and I just rinse the ear afterwards. You can rinse the outside, and this stuff won't hurt his eye like the peroxide will. Hold on, there's a big old chunk of it. We're gonna get that out. Okay, I got it. And it really just kind of accumulates along the outside of his ear. It's not like impacted down in there. And this is a bit of a scab right here.
It's probably from him scratching at it.
Yeah, there we go. So I try to get all that cleaned up. Yeah, so that looks a lot better now. I don't know if you can see down in there, but it's open and clear. And so I'll just gently rinse that with some silver. And he's good to go till tonight, and we'll do it all over again. Hopefully we'll get this to clear up eventually. He's just an old rooster, and that's just something you got to deal with.